Good morning, everybody. So, let us solve the exercise of cats sleep anywhere.
Question number 1. Name the 5 places where cats sleep according to the poet. Once again, I am repeating the question. Name the 5 places where cats sleep according to the poet. And the answer would be, according to the poet, cats sleep anywhere like table, chair, drawer, edge and top of piano. Now coming to question number 2. Let me repeat question number 1 and answer once again. Name the 5 places where cats sleep according to the poet. And the children must repeat after me. According to the poet, cats sleep anywhere like table, chair, drawer, edge and top of piano. Students need to read this answer 5 times at home. Coming to question number 2 now. Anybody's lap will do. What is meant by will do? Once again I am repeating this question. Anybody's lap will do. What is meant by will do? See, here in this poem the poet is saying that anybody's lap will do. This sentence is used for the cat. Cats sleep anywhere. So the answer of this question would be, anybody's lap will do. Here will do means cats sleep on anybody's lap. They don't care of anything. So you can write this answer. You can understand in this way that cats, they do not see the religions, caste or anything. They don't care with what religion or what caste the person belongs to. They just sleep anywhere. So they don't care of anything. Once again I am repeating this answer. Anybody's lap will do. Here will do means cats sleep on anybody's lap. They don't care of anything. Now question number B. Anywhere they don't care. Who are referred to as they? Here you see the question. Anywhere they don't care. So here they means who? You have to answer that they don't care means who do not care. Answer would be, they refer to the cats because the cats don't care. So once again I am repeating all the question answer. Just repeat after me. Name the 5 places where cats sleep according to the poet. Answer. According to the poet, cats sleep anywhere like table, chair, drawer, edge and top of piano. Question number 2. Anybody's lap will do. What is meant by will do? Anybody's lap will do. Here will do means cats sleep on anybody's lap. They don't care of anything. And question number B is, anywhere they don't care. Who are referred to as they? Answer would be, they refer to the cats. Now we will solve the questions from the book. Now have a look. There is a question. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Now these questions are of collective nouns. Have a look. There was a dash of geese on the farm. Dash of geese. What will be the collective noun for geese? Answer would be gaggle. Gaggle of geese. Next question is, Ritu has a collection of stamps in her cupboard. Ritu has a collection of stamps. You have to remember that collection of stamps. Next question. Question number 3. The mechanic used his dash of tools to repair
the car.
See here, dash of tools. What will be the collective noun for tools? It would be set of tools. Now, next question is a dash of wolves howled in the jungle. Collective noun for wolves? Yes, pack of wolves. We say pack of wolves. A pack of wolves howled in the jungle. Next question, a dash of people gathered on the road. So answer would be a crowd of people gathered on the road. Now see the next question. Listen carefully and match the columns to form meaningful sentences. Neeta likes, answer will be, have a look, you can read all these options. Correct answer will be E, to read books. Answer will be Neeta likes to read books. E. Question number 1, answer will be E. Next question. The sun looked beautiful in the morning. Answer number D. The sun looked beautiful in the morning. Next question, third. Samira has completed her work. Samira has completed her work. Question number 3, answer will be A. Completed her work. Because we have has here, after has we use V3, completed. Okay. Next, question number 4. Can I, if the starting is can I, it means it will be a question. You can see, is there any question in the option? Yes, option number C, borrow your pencil please. So answer will be, can I borrow your pencil please? Question mark. And the last one, plants need, you already know, what do the plants need? They need sunlight, air and water. So the answer would be option number B. Question number 5, answer is B. Plants need sunlight, air and water.
Now next question. Fill in the blanks with appropriate nouns. Question number 1. The dash are roaring in the jungle. Answer will be lions. The lions are roaring in the jungle. Question number 2. My dash is cooking food for the family. You can write any answer here. My sister is cooking food for the family. My father is cooking food for the family. Or my mother. Generally mother cooks food, so I have written here mother. But if your father cooks, no problem. You can write there, my father is cooking food for the family. Any answer would be suitable. But it should be someone. I mean, a father, mother. It should not be a non-living thing. Okay, because they cannot cook food. Okay. Now, question number 3. Dash is eating fruits. You can write any name here. Okay. I have written Neha is eating fruits. You can write anybody's name. My brother is eating fruit, my uncle is eating fruit, or you can write any one of your friend's name. Now next question is, dash are kept on the dash. I have written books are kept on the table. You can write any noun here. Fruits are kept on the basket, or the bottles are kept on the almirah. You can write anything. Okay, I have written books and table. Question number 5 now. Dash and dash are water animals. I have written here crocodile and whale are water animals. You can write any 2 water animals name. That would be correct. Question number 6 now. I went to dash for a holiday. I have written here I went to Shimla for a holiday. You can write any place name here. But you cannot write any person name. You have to write some place's name. Okay. Question number 7. The dash is crying on the cradle. The dash is crying on the cradle. So who is crying? The baby. The baby is crying in the cradle. Now question number 8. My cousins live in dash. I have written here Delhi. My cousins live in Delhi. You can write any answer of your own. Now coming to question number 9. Grandfather is sitting on a rocking chair. Actually there is a blank at the beginning. Dash is sitting on a rocking chair. You can write grandmother or anybody, father, mother. I have written here grandfather. So that this will be your own answer. And the last question, 10th number question. Please bring me a glass of dash. I have written here water. Please bring me a glass of water. You can write a glass of juice or a glass of drink. You can write anything. Okay, so here in this question most of the answer can be your own answers. This is just an example of writing noun in these blanks. Any suitable answer will be acceptable. You can write your own answer. Definitely you will get marks. Okay, last question now. Listen carefully and complete the sentences. See question number 1. Sachin Tendulkar is a great dash. I have written here cricketer. Who is Sachin Tendulkar? You already know his name. He is a great cricketer, or you can write he is a great cricket player. You can also write cricket player or cricketer. Okay, he had been playing dash for India for more than 20 years. He had been playing what? He had been playing cricket. So answer would be cricket. Next, he is a very dash person who never loses his temper. It means he never gets angry. So he is a very dash person. Which kind of person? Calm. C-A-L-M, calm. L will be silent in this spelling. So he is a very calm person who never loses his temper. Now next, he is excellent at dash. He is excellent at batting. You already know that he is a batsman. So he is excellent at batting. And the last one is dash is proud of Tendulkar. The country is proud of Tendulkar. Okay, we often say we are proud of Tendulkar, but here is written, so we have to write something singular. So we have written here the country is proud of Tendulkar. Okay, now see the first question once again. Sachin Tendulkar is a great, I have written here cricketer. You can also write here batsman. He is a great batsman or he is a great cricketer. Anything you can write. Both answers will be acceptable. Okay, so keep practicing at home. Thank you. Have a good day.